By 2028, India will build a fully Swadeshi solar manufacturing ecosystem. That means not just assembling solar panels, but producing modules, cells, wafers, and ingots all domestically. Let's understand what's driving this push. First, energy security. India does not want to rely on foreign supply chains for something as critical as solar. Second, the Make in India initiative. By building the entire value chain at home, India can establish itself as a hub for solar technology. And third, jobs and growth. The government expects lakhs of direct and indirect jobs in manufacturing and supply chains. At present, India has achieved 100 gigawatt solar module capacity backed by the Production Linked Incentive Scheme. This PLI alone has brought in rupees 50,000 crore worth investments and created over 12,000 jobs. Under the Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, nearly 2 million households have benefited, with half of them paying zero electricity bills. And under PM Kusum, over 1.6 million solar pumps have been installed or solarized, saving 1.3 billion liters of diesel every year. That means cutting 40 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. India has already crossed 251 gigawatts of non-fossil capacity, achieving half of its 2030 target 5 years early. Policy support is also making a difference. GST on renewable energy devices has been cut from 12% to just 5%, and the government is pushing for single window clearances to attract investors faster. By 2047, the target is 18,000 gigawatts of renewable capacity, and by 2070, a massive 5,000 gigawatts to reach net zero. In short, this Swadeshi solar plan is about energy independence, job creation, and India's rise as a clean energy leader.